go to fucking Turtle Lake and see if I win some money.
Yeah.
Crazy. This is not gonna last long.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh god! Oh my god! Look at the cheating! Oh my god! That's the biggest cheating scandal in the Democratic Party. Oh! Oh! And he broke his truck too. Well, deserves it, right? Bitch ass coming motherfucker. I know.
Messi broke.
Bessie broke. Oh, oh, Bessie. Whoa.
Oh, Messi. Oh, Messi.